Hello, my name is Valerie Ward. It is February 28th, 3:53 p.m. I am currently a senior at Poly High School, and for my senior capstone, at first it was, excuse me, at first it was hard for me to come up with a topic because me being a 17-year-old, I didn't really know what I can do to make a change in my community or at least be involved in some way. But then me being interested in science and wanting to be a vet when I'm older, I looked into animal shelters, and I found that in local areas like the city of Riverside, the euthanization rate is actually pretty high, because if people don't adopt at the shelters, the animals get put down. So my capstone is to help reduce the euthanization rate in animal shelters by actively promoting pet adoptions. And now I know this isn't going to be the easiest thing because it relies a lot on other people, on what they finally decide to do, whether they want to adopt or not. So I can play my part, but I think the hardest thing will be other people. What I have so far is articles, and I've just done some research on the benefits of adopting, so I can use this information and insight when I am telling people about it or giving this information, so they can be more persuaded into adopting. I've also looked up some animal shelters near me that I can contact. I haven't contacted them yet, but I am planning on it. I want to see how I can work with them that in ways that'll benefit this and in what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm gonna use what they give me as another resource into completing this capstone. What I'm planning on doing over the next month, I'm gonna contact them, shelters or any place, even pet stores maybe, to see what I can do. Maybe even get a group going with a couple friends, and to help me get out there and start promoting more. I'm not going to be out there in the middle of the street saying adopt a pet, but I'm going to probably do a social media page just to get the word out there, to tell people what I'm doing. And I think the hardest thing for this capstone, like I said, is going to be other people, what they decide to do, because I can only convince people so far, but it depends on the actual person what they want to do. So hopefully this goes as planned, and I'm excited to see what I can do with this, because I really want to see what change I can make. Even though this isn't a big issue, it's still something that I would like to see change in. So yeah, it's the end of this vlog.